Hello everyone, today I will show you how to automatically comment on groups. This software will help you automatically comment on multiple Facebook groups. The software helps manage unlimited Facebook accounts. First, choose viral marketing. There are many features here. Automatic posting, automatic messaging. Select the comment to the group feature. You can set the number of threads running concurrently. Choose the maximum number of comment groups. Distance of 2 interactions. Then select the UID group you want to comment on. Select account category, then press Start. The software will automatically comment into multiple groups. Here, you can see how the software works.